Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video on SUI. I'm currently tracking here the smaller time frame chart. For SUI, yesterday I covered the bigger picture as well. I mean, larger time frame is completely unaffected. Smaller time frame just shows some short-term upside momentum. But I have to be honest, this is, we haven't even broken above the Wednesday high, 3rd of December. And we are far away from really confirming a full-scale breakout to the upside because so far we remain below resistance. We remain below the 3rd of December high. Yeah, there is some upside momentum for sure, but upside momentum, while it has increased, yeah, we're still moving up in corrective patterns only. So you see a lot of pullbacks along the way. But I mean, micro support is holding as well. So there is a chance at least to form that wider wave 4 here. Now, what some charts have done, some charts have broken out to the upside directly already, yeah, which means they have broken above the Wednesday 3rd of December high. Now, SUI hasn't done that yet, which could indicate some weakness, yeah. It's just definitely weaker than some of the other charts I'm tracking, like Ethereum has already broken out above the 3rd of December high, for example. Okay, so apologies. So it is possible that SUI will just catch up a little bit later. And I think the blue count with the developments that we've seen today has become less likely. And I might be jumping the gun here a little bit, but it seems likely that at least we get that wider wave 4 scenario here. I mean, maybe something more bullish is playing out. But remember that the move to the upside is a very clear 3-wave move up. So it would indicate that we are dealing with some kind of a diagonal pattern to the upside. So this could be wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C of wave 3. And then we can get a higher low and a higher high. So that would give us a 5-wave move up. But until we actually see those 5 waves coming together, and until we see the market break above resistance at $2.22, I think the risk for another low is at least very, very high. Now, remember what I said, it becomes more likely that we are at least extending this wave forward to the upside, maybe even without another pullback back into support. Look, this pullback isn't needed anymore. I mean, it was never needed. It is already, the price already pulled back to the 50% retracement level here on Friday or Saturday, but it's still possible, right? It's just that some charts have broken out without forming a more extended ABC structure. Meaning, in other words, they have avoided to test support again. They don't, there is no requirement to test the support area a second time. So from that point of view, I think all eyes need to be now on the micro resistances between the next ones are $1.73 and $1.76, and then obviously the swing high here from Wednesday at around $1.79. And the break above would open the door to a move to $2.07, which is the 100% extension target and an ideal target for yellow wave C. That's the update on SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel as well. I know that a lot of people send requests for charts here, for example, in the comment section. Well, I posted earlier this morning here on X, let me know which chart requests, which charts you like to see. There were many requests. I already covered a few here on X, so feel free to follow us here, so you can join the club there as well. Updates there are sometimes coming a little earlier. There are exclusive updates there, so if you don't want to miss anything, feel free to follow us on X as well. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.